say do the blue, that means do the quick practice. Then look at the bottom of your page and it says do the anytime problem. Okay, so how many of us are doing anytime problems? Done some of them? All right, anytime problems are 10 minutes every day and only 10 minutes. If you read them, some of them are really difficult. Okay, so here's some information about anytime problems. They are not necessarily related to the unit content. So I like that because kids have figured out, right? They figured out that if I'm in a multiplication unit, I bet I'm going to multiply these numbers, right? Like, yeah, win the award, you're right, rocket scientist right here. So they don't even read the story problem because they already know I'm just going to multiply the numbers. And the anytime problem, I'm going to use all of the knowledge I have cumulatively from the year to solve that problem. So we're going to use information that I've learned throughout the units to solve the anytime problem. Okay, so here's some general guidelines. One is 10 minutes, set the timer. In 10 minutes, you can do these anytime, which is why they're called anytime problems. So bell ringer work, as kids come in, they're up on the board, kids start working them in their journals, maybe you go over them at a different part of the day. In 10 minutes, you most likely will not get all the way through them. So we're going to give you a new anytime problem every day, but you don't have to do a new problem every day. It could be the same problem for the whole week. Okay, so if I pose this problem, I have kids maybe really weak in problem solving. Day one may be attacking the problem, reading it, doing my problem solving skills together, attacking it verbally, like how do we go about this? What do we know? What do we not know? Okay, boys and girls, put away your journals. Tomorrow when you come in, I want you to attack this problem now. We've talked about it. You have some starting groundwork. Okay, tomorrow they have no excuses, right? Start your work. Okay, by day 3, I'm hoping I have some solutions we can share, right? Other times I have teachers, one of my favorite things is to do start with group. Okay, so day 1, Monday, I gave everyone chart paper, and we did it as a whole group or in pods. Okay, so you have to attack this as a group. Day 2, we have to work in partners. Day 3, you have to be able to do it independently. Okay, day 4, you're presenting your work to the class. Groups are presenting different problems. So you can gradually release the problems. You can work it over multiple days. You can just change the numbers in a problem so that if it's a really tough problem, they get multiple exposures to the same problem type. But we just want them to be doing problem solving every day. Okay, perseverance of problem solving. Who's using these in different ways? Any other thoughts on how you're using them? Jen, did you have anything else of how you're wanting this used in anytime problems?
Just that I want to be used.
You want to be used, yeah. So our 5th grade scores were terrible, like really bad. And our lowest category was constructive response, right, and problem solving. And so we know that we can answer computation problems, but as soon as we get to a story problem, the hands fly. I don't get it. I don't know what to do. That right there tells me everything I need to know about our number sense. Right? We have procedural fluency. We have 0 conceptual understanding. If I can't apply it, it means nothing. And so our 5th grade teachers really decided that was their goal. And so they said without fail, they were going to do the anytime problem every single day, no matter what. And it was painful. Okay, painful in the beginning because it's like pulling teeth. And so in the beginning, it was literally handful of like, what do you know? What do you not know? And that was it in 10 minutes. That's all they got to. The next day, not even the same problem, a new problem. What do you know? What do you not know? The next day, different problem. What do you know? What do you not know? Just getting kids to identify those key pieces. And then they started actually solving the problems later. Like, I don't want to even solve them right now. I just want to work on problem solving skills, right? Because once kids think there has to be an answer, we shut down. Okay, so if I can take the answer out of it, or I can just give them the answer. Friends, the answer is 36. I don't really care about the answer. I want to know how you got the